Ciao! Welcome to the X ingredient. In today's video, we are making a traditional dish of the Roman cuisine called saltimbocca. Saltimbocca alla Romana are super easy and super quick to prepare. It only takes a few ingredients, but the final result is a delicious surprise. I'm also going to show you how to add a little boost to the flavor, as I learned from a Roman great cook who's called Liliana. The name saltimbocca comes from the verb saltare, to jump, and in bocca, in the mouth. So you understand that the message here is, this thing is so good that literally jumps in your mouth. Said that, if you are curious about this recipe, stay with me, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and be sure you click on the bell in order to receive a notification anytime a new one is out. Thanks for your support, grazie Liliana, e andiamo!